In our previous episodes, we often highlight that most terrace houses do not enjoy the luxury of having scenic views. In today's episode, we are going to explore a home in a quiet and mature neighborhood in Damansara, where an architect's creative solution created an inverted home, choosing instead to look inward, holding its family close to nature. Ladies and gentlemen, let us present to you the Introverted House. Stay tuned as we uncover how an old terrace home was stunningly transformed from this into this. Before we begin, a friendly reminder, if you're not subscribed to us yet, click on the subscribe button and stay in the loop of more upcoming design and architecture related contents. From the street view, the facade of perforated brick walls shields the home. But step inside and a quiet transformation unfolds. A calming living room welcomes you. Here, light and breeze filter through the brick screens.
The main idea behind this house is when a client approached me, he wanted to transform his original house, which is 20 to 30 years ago, to cater for a family of 5. So total, I think the original build out is only 22 by 60. So it's very congested, and the upper floor is full with rooms. There's no so-called internal space. It allowed for natural lights and also greenery and all this. So for the ground floor, we explore with the client also. Instead of having a gate on outside, which normally we do, so your living space, you're looking at the car. We thought of we get a little bit 5 feet at the living space to plant a vegetation or the greenery.
Beside the living room, an intimate indoor garden breathes life into the space. It's a thoughtful reminder for any homeowners, even a small pocket of greenery can dramatically uplift the quality of your indoor spaces. Further in, the interiors open up to a generous double-volume dining area, a welcoming space that invites family and light together. But it wasn't like this in the beginning.
You know that in Malaysia we have these shop houses, and in the traditional shop houses, it's long and narrow as well. But the good part about shop houses is the essence of the courtyard, where the natural light and the rain and also the wind coming in. The small opening in the roof is to bring in the natural light. We use polycarbonate roof tiles. The roof tile profile still follow the clay roof profile that they just interlock together. The position of the skylight is actually quite strategized where we want to open to make sure that the sunlight comes down to the tree. We bring in the skylight from the roof, we actually bring in the light and also the heat. The central atrium, you can see there is a little of a ventilation block, and this ventilation block allows the hot air to get up.
The first floor is divided into 2 separate wings, one for the children and one for the parents. This offers the family a sense of their own space while staying connected to the heart of the home. The master bathroom is one of my most favorite spots, packed alongside a spacious master bedroom in full-height glass walls, giving the bedroom a semi-outdoor connection to nature. The contrast of the tile usage in the bathroom creates an outstanding backdrop for the tree to glow. So even if you're in the master bedroom looking at the bathroom, it is a showcase as a glass box of artwork. The open layout creates a fluid and spacious space. Blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors, the design transforms a simple ritual into a moment of quiet retreat. Windows like this, thoughtfully angled, protect the privacy of each room, while still offering a glimpse into the extended garden. In contrast, the bedrooms on the opposite wing are more functional in design, simple yet comfortable. Sliding glass doors separate the spacious kitchen from the dining area, allowing light and space to flow freely when opened.
I make it a very big kitchen that they can have a central island. We glass it up with a glass door. They can see visibly linking, yet the smell from the cooking, it won't get out from the house. We try our best to advise the client. Don't go for a very typical way of construction. So every single corner we would like to look into detail to make sure that it's all well captured and well designed rather than crude terminations by the contractor or this. So I think that is the most challenge in most of our job.
In a city where terrace homes often feel boxed in, the introverted house turns inward not to retreat, but to rediscover connection. A sanctuary that reminds us sometimes the most meaningful spaces are the ones that invite us to pause, to look in so we can grow out. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture related contents, please click on the subscribe button and stay tuned to more upcoming design and architecture related contents. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.